Dollar index yielded first bearish week and a strong bearish week after weeks of bullishness here. Yes, it has shown a good swings yielding lower highs, lower lows, and still forming a flag pattern here. From 106.8, it has reversed towards 104.6 and has closed near to the bottom here. So, what to expect next week? Can we expect the DXY to continue with the crash? Also, in the month of November, can we expect it to continue downside, or there is a probability for it to reverse? Which position you should take, and what to expect from dollar index and associated? Because see, associated currency and commodity also are linked to the movement in price of the DXY. So thus it is important. Do watch till the end. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Let's start. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, which keeps you updated with the daily, in fact, twice a day updates on major global markets and commodities. First charts followed with indicators. Now look at the 4-hour charts. If you look at the 4-hour charts, see DXY is yielding lower highs, lower lows here. Couple of drops early. If you look at the last few drops here on the 4-hour chart, see it has this time breached below the support levels. However, closing very near to the bottom on the 4-hour chart. Does this mean that can we expect a reversal from here? Now on the upside, 105.5, 106 and 106.5. This is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance. What to expect here? Let's have a further detailed look with the help of further time frame. Likewise, on the daily charts, important part is the lower highs, lower lows, and remember it is still staying after this bullish channel. It is just staying in this flag formation. Any breakout below 104.5 levels and then 104. 104 is the critical milestone which I will be looking forward to. If the DXY stays below 104 levels, you can say further drop can be expected, which might take it till towards 103 and 102. Now 102 is the next milestone which is going to remain critical for the DXY to stay bullish or bounce back. If it breaks below 102, that is the point of time where you can say that it is turned bearish, else it is just retracing and possibility of a bounce back will exist very, very strong here. Right now, yes, it is still giving you lower highs, lower lows, and chances of recovery will also be there here on the daily charts. If you look at on the downside, see the rally started from here, strong bullish move was seen, and one single candle. There is a probability for a second candle as well, but it has got very, very strong support at 104. Thus, you have to be watchful of that. Coming to the week, likewise on the weekly chart, see returning from the bottom here and reversing from the bottom here. I have mentioned here itself that it is bound to rally. It has seen the highs, though I do expect there are further highs pending here at 109 levels. But right now it is not willing to look upwards. See the preceding candles here, strong bullish momentum was seen for multiple weeks here. Now, if the prices stays below the critical support levels at 104, we can say that there will be further bearishness, and specifically below 103 and 102 is where the complete bearishness will be seen. Because see, this was the channel, the highs and the lows, and if it breaks below 102, that is the point of time you can say that it is going to hit the bottom. I do not see it happening. Specifically this week, at least it is not going to move towards 102 levels. Possibility for it to retrace for next couple of weeks moving towards 103 levels and bouncing back is existent, and this exists strong here. Thus we have to be careful. Right now, if also if you look at the strong wall is formed at around 106, 106.5 levels, 4 to 5 candles reversing or getting the resistance at the same levels and reversing here. Thus it can continue for a little while from here on the downside. Coming to the on the monthly charts, likewise, see couple of bullish candles. There is a swing candle, and it does suggest that it can continue. It can reverse as well. We have to be watchful here. Only and only if the price stays below 104, you can say that the reversal or the chances for this monthly candle to turn green will be very, very less. Yes, once it stays below 104, the chances for it to move towards 103 levels and achieving the symmetry here exists strong. Thus, as long as 104 levels are respected, we can expect a bounce back. But below this, we can say that the monthly candle is going to remain in red. Monthly candle is going to close in bearish mode itself. Thus, a further drop can be expected here from currently. But see, what is happening here is, if you look at, see, it is still staying bullish here. I will definitely observe how it behaves at 104, because that is going to be a good support level. Else, for a couple of months, a little retracement, and then from around 103, 102 levels, a bounce back cannot be denied. Also, if you look at the near term chart, see The DXY has always been staying in this zone. Right now, precisely, it is staying in the median here. Wait for it to break on the downside. If it does, more bearishness may prevail here. Now, let's have a look with the help of indicators. If you look at the indicators, moving averages are trading parallel. See, the important part here is the consolidation which has happened for months. Does it suggest that still it is not bearish and I will look forward to further rise here? But it is trying to retrace a little. That is the point of concern. It is trying to retrace a little, and a reversal can be expected, if not this month, but possibly by next month. A possible rise, achieving higher lows here. It can try to reverse again. This is something you should watch out for, because see, this many candles have consolidated here for the bottom, creating the strong base. It always tries to form a strong building here. Stochastic back to overbought, and that is why we are seeing a red candle, and it can continue for a couple of candles on the downside. The MACD, look at MACD, see, it tried to converge, but it has not yet crossed over, and that is the point. See, here itself I had mentioned that it is crossover has happened at a slightly higher levels, and this has a probability for it to continue on the down, which suggests that yes, the prices might try to hit the bottom for next couple of months or more, and then a reversal from those levels. And yes, 102 levels are going to remain critical on the downside. RSI looking downwards, that is also slight bearish indication. Coming to the, now see, on the weekly charts, the 20 and 50 period crossover is seen here. It is staying bullish. The prices were divergent from the moving average. We have seen it converging, and it can converge more. And if you look at the support levels here, 104.4 and 103.6, 103.7 zone. This is a zone where we have very, very good support. It can try to breach it for once, and that makes these level as a very strong support zone. And that is why also I say yes, as long as 104 levels are respected, possibility of a reversal will be very, very high. Weekly stochastic has dropped significantly after staying overbought. Yes, it was overbought. It had to cool down, and that is what is happening. Now look at MACD. Now see, MACD on the weekly charts, it has hit a bottom here, the rise here, then the retracement. Now again looking upwards. Now what is happening here is, see, it was trading with extreme divergence. It is just trying to converge, and hence maybe couple or more red candles from here, and possibility of it to rise will exist very, very strong. Now again and again, see, all of the indicators are suggestive of that. Couple of bearish candle does not mean that it is bearish. As long as 102 is respected, the chances of reversal will be very, very high. For next few weeks, maybe couple of weeks or more, we can see a slight bearishness following here, and then a possible reversal cannot be denied. If you look at RSI, this is looking vertically down. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, the candle closed outside Bollinger Band, suggestive of bearishness. Now the bandwidth will start expanding, and since this is a breakout candle, also if you look at the formation here, see the drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, now drop. So it could follow with couple of retracement candles from here, where one can expect it to retrace a little towards 105, 105.5, in fact 106 zone. Now 106 is the first milestone. It needs to break past by. If the price stays above 106, you can say it is again reversing. Also, one must look at on the daily chart. See, the moving average is crossed over here. Since there it has traded bullish, it has traded with divergence. After long time, it has started to converge. Slow, a possible retracement and then a drop can be expected here. A stochastic looking down, hitting the bottom. MACD, now see, MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish looking downwards. If you recall, at this point, we have discussed that see triple top here, and whenever we have seen such rises, it always try to follow with a drop. It is just doing the same. Also, we have seen that lower lows here, just indicative of slight bearishness. RSI looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness here. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, see the moving averages have now started to look downwards. It has crossed over. What will happen, even if it tries to retrace, it is going to be a slow retracement. It can try to move towards 105, 105.5 zone, 105.4 zone at max. Wait for the moving average to climb down, and then a drop can be expected here. So yes, a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied here, but do not treat this for a reversal under 106 until 106 levels are respected. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, RSI is oversold as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably not only the DXY but also can track the movement of associated currencies and commodities. But before I proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can register on the platform forexfunder.com, that is my own platform, where everything is provided under the single platform which is required by a trader. And let me take you to a tour of. See, this is the platform forexfunder.com, where you get the live tickers and news, breaking stories, much more than. On the front page itself, you can find the link to my mentorship batch, where the details, the curriculum, the timelines, and the payment structure is also mentioned. You can visit the. And yes, we have a webinar coming this week on the Sunday before the markets open on Monday. In this webinar, I'll be taking up your questions and also explaining what to expect from markets in the coming week. And this also includes multiple instruments and commodities in a single frame. So do register for the webinar. And if this platform is created with the vision to provide everything under one platform, and see, economic calendar is available, the charts are available, live charts from across the globe, anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. You can also book a call if you need any consultation, guidance, or support. You can book a call with me. And yes, the discussion forums is the most important part. You can initiate your own discussion or discuss on the created topics in the respective forums and get the insights from the like-minded traders. So yes, do visit the platform here, register for the webinar or the mentorship batch. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, first, where to buy? As it is seen a bottom, I think probably a little retracement. Thus, 104.8 itself you can buy. Expect 105, then 105.28 and 105.5 levels. This is the first milestone and a very, very strong resistance, 105.5 and 105.4 levels. Let me include 105.4 as well. This is going to be the strongest resistance on the upside. If it stays beyond this, you can say more bullishness may prevail. We can look forward to 105.7 and 106 level. This is the next milestone, only above which you can say slight bullishness in prices can be seen, and then it will lead towards a complete recovery. We can look forward to 106.2, 106.5 any point of time in the month of November. If the prices stays above 106.5, stay long, stay bullish. I do not see it happening in the month of November at least. Possibly every retracement should be an opportunity for us to sell. That is what I will recommend. On the downside, where to. Now see, also once you know that there could be these highs cannot be breached, possibility of is very, very strong, one can initiate a selling level at a retracement or a higher levels here. At the same time, on the downside, the safer sell entry is below 104.4 levels, below which the nearest support is at 104.12, then 103.98. And if it breaks below this, you can say more bearishness will take it till towards 103.6 and then 103.1 levels. Now see, 103, 103.1 is the major support level on the downside. If it stays below this, remember more crashes coming on the way. We can look forward to 102.65, 102.38 and then 102 levels. This is the next milestone. I do not see it breaking 102 levels any point of time in the month of November. I do not see it breaking. Possibility of a swing also exists. Possibility of it to continue with the bearish momentum is stronger, but a little retracement on the upside and followed with a drop is what you can look forward to in the complete month. Remember, this is the first resistance zone, 104, and this is going to be the strongest one. This is going to be the strongest one, 104, 103.6 levels. These are going to be the strongest support here, below which only further bearishness can be expected, else a possible bounce back cannot be denied. You have to trade with caution. You have to trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship by Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Join my free Telegram channel. Join my webinar and a mentorship batch or Signals channel. Register yourself on the forexfunder.com or reach out to me via email or telegram for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.